from the Redneck Garage. Well, today I've got a lot on my plate. I'm going to try to get the yard ready, get it final tilled, get the grass seed in, put straw down, finish the sprinkler system, and hopefully I'll be done with this crap. Okay, today is a special day. Most of you think I just wear denim every day, but that's not actually true, and I'll show you what I'm wearing on this very special day. I'm a Super Predators fan! We're all going to a Nashville Predators game. I'm going to take you along and I'm going to show you what it's like, how cool and awesome it is to be a Predators fan, and the Predators are voted the #1 sports franchise in all of the United States. Alright, we're all in the car going to the Predators game, and she wouldn't let me drive, and my life is like perilous at this point because she drives like a freaking maniac. Even though this is a Prius, she puts it through every mechanical test you could do for a Prius. Tell them.
Yep.
Tell them. Yeah. It's really scary. You guys ready? Yeah. What? Woo! Bridgestone! Downtown, we're making it, going up to the Bridgestone Arena! This used to be really sketchy. Part of it is kind of still sketchy, truthfully. But this is, what do they call this? The Gulch? Yeah, this is the Gulch now. Anytime they put a nickname to something, it's like 10 times more expensive. Ooh, crazy driver. There is the new Nashville Convention Center that costs billions of dollars, and there's Bridgestone Arena. We're walking down Broadway. She's got her shirt on, thanks Paul. And we're going to get Paul, the announcer for the Predators, to sign it tonight. But this is the mecca of country music right here, baby. Broadway. Stone Arena. The calm before the storm. Everybody's just coming in, getting ready to watch the Preds play. We got some cool swag, got a hat and a shirt. I think we got something else in there, but super cool. We're going to eat. Thanks, Paul! Okay, so that was our night with the Predators. It was awesome. We're great at home. Let's go Preds, Stanley Cup, baby. All right, back to the yard. First time I used the rotary plow. This thing is wicked bad. as far as how deep it trenches, but that's not really what I need. I'm going to use the rototiller on the rest of this just to grow grass, but I am going to use it to dig the trench for the sprinkler system. Holy crap. Holy crap, I found out that a shovel still fits my hand. Jennifer and I have been digging out in the front yard. It's looking pretty good, actually. The Gravely made a pretty good trench, and it was wide. We just had to clean out the bottom of it and dig some out of the bottom for that pipe to lay down in there. Then we're going to lay the sprinklers in and see how much we actually have to dig underneath each sprinkler head, but I don't think very much because we got it pretty deep. Looks good. Alright, so the blade got it leveled down pretty well. What I'm going to do next is, there's a couple little piles of dirt, but I'm going to spread grass seed. Then I'm going to hit it real quick with the tiller and then spread it over grass seed one more time. So that way you're not going to miss any grass seed. She's having fun. Aren't you having fun? Yeah. There it is, man. All strawed. Seeded and strawed, so super cool. Woo-wee, sun's gone down. I just finished in the front yard. Jennifer was helping me. We just strawed it all. The sprinkler system's done. So the next video we'll be looking at, see if the sprinkler system works, and take a look at the yard that's finished, but it's dark out here. This day kicked my butt. The Gravely was awesome. Drinking a Michelob Ultra, which, this diet, I mean, you know, I'm down 20 pounds, but there's nothing good to eat. Catch me on the next video. We'll see what it looks like. Hopefully, looks like something. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.